Look up. Glass towers touch the sky while flavors fill the streets below. This is a city of dreams, energy, and bold spirit. Can you guess where we are? Downtown gleams with towering skyscrapers, markets, and parks pulse below. Herman Park invites you to unwind, and the theater district sparkles after dark. Step into Space Center. Rockets and moon rocks show us how far dreams can soar. Buffalo Bayou Park opens up. Trails, kayaks, and stunning skyline views at sunset. When hunger strikes, this city serves it all. Smoky BBQ, Tex-Mex, Gulf Coast seafood, and sweet pecan pie that's a Southern classic. Texas pride shines at the rodeo, boots, music, and cheers that never stop. Nearby, the Galleria dazzles with shops, and the water wall cascades in the heart of the city. As the sun dips, Minute Maid Park roars with fans, Montrose lights up with music, and the skyline reflects in the bayou like a city made of stars. A city of space, spirit, and endless possibility. Can you guess where we are? This is Houston. Big, bold, unforgettable. If Houston lit up your screen, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which city we should explore next.